Mm-hmm. We did not come this way. Oh, we were down there. Do you want to go straight or down? Why? Because you don't want to see me smash my face open?
No, I know. Then I have to try to carry your body all the way back to the long fucking way.
I made it! You worried for nothing. Then I hear you crash, bang, boom behind me. Yeah. Hey, they made it. Oh, I was... At the moment, yeah. Oh, Euphrasia? You okay? Well, you're not wearing hiking shoes. I'm not wearing hiking shoes either, but I guess I'm used to walking a lot more. Up or down? Down? Can we go that way? Yes? Oh, I thought...
You said yeah, and then you started going out.
I thought you were being sarcastic. I know, I just didn't know if you wanted to go that close to the cliff. This is no time for sightseeing. This is where you want your feet. No. The truth comes out. The reason you really brought me here. To have a tragic, terrible accident. Terrible. Oh, it was so terrible. No, we did not. path again.